Good morning, class. It is question number 17. The foot of a ladder is 6 meters away from a wall and its top reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. Let it is window and according to the question, the foot of a ladder is 6 meters away from a wall and its top reaches a window 8 meters above. Window is 8 meters above and it is foot of ladder which is 6 meters away from the wall and the length of ladder is FW. Let it is point A. If the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meters away from the wall, means its foot is 8 meters away from the wall, the wall to what height does its tip reach? Its tip reach means we have to find the height of the tip of the ladder. We have to find the tip of the ladder when its foot is 8 meters away from the wall. Now, let new position of foot is F dash and now its tip reaches at point P. Then we have to find the distance of A and B. When foot is shifted 8 meters away from wall, the position of its tip is point B. Now we have to find the height of point B from the ground. Firstly, we take in triangle AWF. In triangle AWF, we have FW square equal AW square plus FA square by Pythagoras theorem. FW is the length of ladder, then it is FW, AW is 6 square, 8 square, 100 and 10 meters. Means the length of ladder is 10 meters. since FW is equal to F dash B, because it is also F dash B is also length of ladder, then in triangle F dash BA we have F dash B square equal BA square plus F dash A square by Pythagoras theorem. Now put the value of F dash B, which is equal to FW, means 10 square. BA is unknown, we have to find the value of BA, and F dash A is 8 meter. Then it is 100 minus 64 equal BA square. Now BA equal square root 36 means 6 meter. The new position of its tip reaches 6 meter above the ground.